Here's the flower, and it's ready to go for the bouquet. You can choose any flower to do the flower arrangement. Make flower arrangement for the bouquet. No, I just showed them some videos. Wait, and this is for Ate Jocelyn's wedding. So I try my best that she like my invention. You can add the floral tip if you want, but for me, no, I just add so it's easy for me to adjust the flower. Okay, and I didn't cut it yet because the wedding is tomorrow, so later or tomorrow I will cut it all here for now because I put some water. But this one I'm gonna cut so they're a bit level. So and add the flowers as you want where you put it here. I need to add some baby's breath here, so it's look pretty. I'm so excited. And here, as long as you see the nice of the flowers roundings, so you're good. Oh, there is one, so we're gonna add this here, and then again, if you doesn't like the arrangement, so you can put down and then start all over again. Then here, wow, it's pretty. I think this is good for her because the flowers is just a few, and then I need to do for her matron, so maybe this one I can. Hello guys, now it's already finished. I'm not really finished, but I stick together. So here what it look like, and then I will add some of the floral tip. You should leave something here so you can put some water fresh. And here it's already covered, and then we will add the tape on it. Some ribbon you can put in here so there is something, and boom, and you do like this, so you can put the ribbon on it, then round it. But Just keep rounding it here so it's look okay, and as long as you like. Cut the ribbon. Oh, there. Ta-da! Make it sure that you tie it very secure. Tie it like this. There. And make it sure that it will not fall. And you can cut here for the design. And this, so you can see of this. And then we will add a bow, so you can make it bow like it's depend on you how to make your bow. To make the bow like this and this, so you can cut it here. If you don't know how to do the bow, you can also search, and then I think this one, it's good. It's good to go. A nice bow. I'm not really good in the bow, so then we can add it here. Make it sure that it's really tight. And then wrap around here. As you can see, you wrap around. So make it, you make it nicer. You do like this. Make it sure that it's secure. So it's not really like perfect the bow, but it's pretty. Thanks for watching. I hope guys you like it.